She made the same amount, and your assistant.
If she did that in October, I guarantee she did more than that.
Well, okay. So what was the assistant? What did the assistant make?
The assistant flat rate $500.
All right, $500. All right, so well, come with it. Come with it. What's the 9408 minus the 500 for the assistant? 8908. Any? It ain't, but I'm gonna tell you right now.
First of all, sir, nobody asked you.
Oh!
We know this already. Okay, we knew this from October. We know it ain't gonna be enough. Cornelius.
My biggest takeaway was learning that I'm supposed to have an owner's drawer, which I have no idea of what I was supposed to do with that.
I know that going into 2026 is going to be better. My eyes are wide open because I was avoiding them numbers like the plague. And the only way things can change is if I change.
All right. Okay. All right.
Give me some kind of hope. You know, give me my damn $100. As a matter of fact, give me two because you're trying to find me.
Oh!
That's right.
With the census, what it allows you to do is it tells you what type of money this person is, what type of household they're in, how many people in the city can afford your services, what other cleaning businesses charge. It'll also tell you the fair pay for your workers because of the economy and where it's at. Right now, I can tell you that the census, it is updated because of the government shutdown, but it is still active right now.
My other takeaway was doing my numbers for a commercial account that I have that was way under. So, but going to the end of this year, going to the new year, I will be changing prices to profit me and my business. Right. So I'm so thankful for tenacity, Miss Johnson and Miss Tamika. Y'all are just so awesome.
You know what that is? 52. That you got.
I'm still in the damn red.
Yeah. Your numbers won't right though.
Yeah.
And you got to. That's why it's so important for you to know your numbers. And I broke it down for them when I was telling them, okay, if you want a $5,000 profit, you got to make over that $5,000 for you to allocate to bring that home. You understand? So that's why it's so important for you to price your numbers at where you want them to be, because you can inch up, but just know you're not going to be there until you go with it full throttle, because you're trying to have a certain amount that you want to keep, because you're only making enough money, like I said, just to pay your bills.
Okay, well, and not even my bills.
The business bills.
So you put on here for some of these clients to go up a couple dollars here.
And then one of them, I said stay the same because they already good.
Because she already high, yeah. Okay, so Miss Haley, you said $20. I'm going up 30. Miss Burley, you said $10. I'm going up 30. Yeah, 30. Everybody is going up 30.
Now, this is the most important thing that you can ever witness. I'm telling you right now. That's why I'm glad that you came to this workshop, because now that you know better, you have to allocate your prices with those increases, because you're about to touch more money, but now you got to place it in the right accounts. Yeah. So when that money comes in, because you got monthly, you got bi-weekly. So again, with your numbers, what was your overhead?
$13.71.
Okay, your overhead was $13.71. And how many clients was on that page?
Ooh, the numbers, because I had my numbers all over the place. I wasn't even charging tax. But I learned from my mistakes.
Wow. And I have to, regardless of how bad it is, I got to face it head on, because I'm not going to learn how to fix it if I'm avoiding it.
And a lot from Miss Heaven over there. How to get out the hole.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm very, very excited. And me and Miss Tamika had a little sidebar. So she's going to help me get my numbers intact and help me get my stuff together. So I'm so glad I came. I was anxious the whole week, but I'm glad I came. I feel a new sense of relief. And like starting Monday, we're going to hit the ground running. We're going to get these numbers right.